Now that we created our first simulation for Protas, for Arduino inside Protas, we must write our first Arduino code. Click on the search engine and write Arduino. Go with the first result here. Then, as you can see here, you can buy an Arduino or learn Arduino or support Arduino. We need to download the product software. Arduino web editor. No, we don't want the web editor. Okay, it seems like they have lots and lots of advertisements. Okay, download the Arduino IDE version 1.8.1. Choose your operating system, which is Windows in this case. Just download. If you want, you can contribute. Click on start downloading. It will take a minute or two. You can check their website while the download is proceeding. There's tons of projects here that you can make using Arduino. As you can see, a cool infinity mirror style bottle opener. Motorize any camera slider with Arduino. So you can also check other products. As you can see, there is Arduino Uno, Leonbar, Mega Zero. There's the Ethernet. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, as you can see, it has an SD card slot. It looks really good. It seems like this is an Ethernet module for Arduino Uno or any other Arduino board. You can also buy breadboards and jumpers. They have their own store. Okay, now it's about to finish. As you can see, this one is Arduino Uno. This one, which we will use with our simulation. If you double click on it, you will get its properties, the clock frequency, the program file, which we will get now. Okay, now let's open the installation. I agree. Next, install. Okay, it won't take long until the installation is finished. Install. Okay, now the installation has finished. Let's see the user interface. That's it. This is the Arduino coding software. Allow access. That's it. As you can see here, this is our coding interface, and this is the simulation environment. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. This is Educational Engineering.
You have finished watching this part of the course. Find the next part in the video description.